Hi everyone, it's James and welcome to the Aerobotics Quarterly Product Release. This quarter we focused hard on our AI-driven insights and specifically focused on our grade product for apples, citrus, grapes and avocados. What we've done is pushed our models further to extract as much information as possible out of each image collected in the field to drive those important production, harvest and sales decisions. So let's start on the apple side, where we've extended our models to a number of new varieties. So we now support the majority of red apples, where each photograph, the model extracts the fruit size, the color distribution, and color per category, as well as now a blemish rating of each apple. So if I click an example here of significantly blemished apples, I see the apples in that category that the model has identified and put into each grouping. This information is obviously critical for harvesting, using the size, color along with your internals of the fruit to make those harvest decisions, but also providing through to the sales team to know what size, color and quality, external quality of fruit is coming. So we're excited about this update and to deliver this additional value to our Apple customers. Next, we've made these same enhancements to grapes. So now a single photograph of that bunch of grapes measures the size structure of the bunch, aggregating each berry in the bunch into an overall bunch measurement. It extracts the size distribution of that bunch and also the blemish categories per bunch. So what I can do here is look at significant blemishes in these autumn crisp grapes and see that the model has identified things like sunburn, bunches with sunburn, another bunch with sunburn here, punctured or rotten berries, and any sort of scarring or caused by wind or pest and disease. So a really exciting update there on green grapes, but also on the red and black cultivars. So here's an example of a black grape cultivar. Again, the color distribution is so important for those harvesting decisions. So we categorize the grapes from green right up until full color, and you can see the bunches associated with each color category. We extract the fruit size, and then for these black grapes we can have a look at what is sitting in the significant blemish rating. So we see actual scarring on the grape, but also quite a lot of punctures and missing berries in the bunches. All of this information is already available on citrus as well. The color categories of the fruit, the size structure, as well as the blemish categories, progression of color through the season, and a forecast through to harvest. So that is already available on citrus, and we've enhanced the models this quarter to give even more precise measurements. And then lastly, we've had some significant feedback from our avocado customers that want to measure not just the belly axis of the fruit, but also the length of each avocado. So our models are now able to do that. Each photograph taken identifies each avocado and extracts the belly width as well as the length distribution of each avocado. This data is available for export, where our customers can then do conversions from these size categories into weight, for example, and feed that into their estimation. So we're very excited about these AI updates to our Grape product. Of course, if you as a customer are already on this Grape product, you're going to see these enhancements coming into your system. As soon as you take the next photograph, you'll see these upgrades included in your package. If you're not already a customer, we are excited to speak to you about this. Please organize a demo with us, get in touch, and we will take you through the system. And thank you very much for listening. We're excited to deliver these updates to the industry and to continue to enhance our product this coming quarter.